All right, Bryce and I are over here at the park. We're going to show you the name of it in a minute. We're going to go for a small hike. Say hey, Bryce.
Hey.
No, you didn't say hey, Bryce.
Oh, hey, Bryce.
There you go. All right, we're going to go over here, get a trail map, and then we're going to go across the street that way and do our first trail hike. See what we do. All right, come on with us. All right, there's where trail we're going on.
Yeah, it actually leads off my. This map doesn't have my. I don't think it has my. Or it doesn't title my favorite trail.
The house. But we'll see. I got another battery if it goes dead. All right, first wildlife. See two birds.
Yeah, it's funny. I remember this is like the first place I came and hiked in North Carolina.
This is?
Yeah. Actually, as well, like ironically, it ended up being the place I came the most. But I remember Dakota, because since she's from Colorado, came here, and she was like, "This isn't a mountain. I was lied to." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, that's so funny."
Well, that's funny. I guess it's non-potable water, but the thing's rotted out. And the pipe comes from wherever.
Yeah, I only came from, I know there's another place where you can get like maps from the visitor center.
Yeah. So I'm not sure where the water come from. I'm assuming it's that. At one time you could get water there to cool off or wash your hands or whatever. Wash dishes. Okay. Cool. Wow, that's a big tree there.
I know, she's thick.
Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah, this park is like really beautiful. I think this is like my favorite time of the year. This park, because it's right at spring or at.
Yeah.
I guess it's summer.
Yeah.
Summer.
It looks like a hickory tree. Can't tell by the leaf yet.
Oh yeah, I remember that one time you tried to help me identify, but I've totally forgotten everything.
I forget the names. I know the differences, but I forget the names of the pine trees.
So like the differences, as like you could tell me like how they grow differently, or what do you mean
grow differently. The pine needles are different. The pine cones are different, but I don't know the names of the trees. I can tell them the differences by the bark that's on them. You see, that was a big wide bark. The other pine trees are going to have a narrow, more distinctive, patterned bark on them. Those are the ones that have the smaller needles, and they have groups of pine cones versus these have like big pine cones, but they're one here and there.
Yeah, it was nice last time I came. It was like a little overcast, like a little rainy, so I felt like it just made everything a little bit more green. Yeah, my kids are really into hunting.
Oh, I imagine, but especially if they live up here.
Yeah, a lot of them are really into hunting, which I'm not gonna lie, hunting creeps me out. But I like the idea of like shooting though, for like practice, like target practice.
Target practicing.
Yeah, like when I was in South Dakota, I actually really enjoyed skeet shooting. I thought that was fun. Yeah, it was fun. I really wish they would have offered me some ear coverings, because that shotgun was loud.
It can be, especially the 12 gauge.
Yeah, it was a 12 gauge. I was like,
Yeah.
you know, I was like, I feel like I'm not being a wimp. I would just like to not blow out my eardrums.
Looking for the infamous
Oh,
white-tailed
here comes people.
buck. You see people come?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. But this leads, I think this is just like a,
Yeah, the trail says that way on that hike.
yeah, I mean, it goes to the front.
That's probably a service road for that. Sycamore tree. See the little bulbs there? It's from a sycamore tree. Those up there.
Are they the thin ones, like right here?
Hmm?
Like the really thin ones right here?
No, the ones that are way up there, the tall ones.
Yeah.
That's the sycamores. These might be sycamores.
Yeah, they look pretty similar.
Yeah.
There's some blackberries I might be ready to pick down here.
Oh, really? Oh, cool.
Maybe. They weren't quite
Yeah.
They weren't quite ready.
You have a bag in your backpack or something? Put them in?
No, but we could make something out of my rain jacket if they're ready when we come back through.
Yeah, sure. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Remember the ones we did in Georgia?
Yeah. They're going to be right back up here on the right and left. Right.
Oh, I see water.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're not ready yet.
Hmm?
There's some of them. These are not ready.
Oh, yeah.
Still pretty cool.
Yeah, by the time they get ready, the birds and everybody will have those.
Yeah. The
In
first
case you can't see, we're looking at wild blackberries growing down there. You can see one is red here.
Yeah, the first time I came here, I was able to pick like a handful.
Mm-hmm.
But that was in should have been in June or July. So mid-June, yeah, it was like mid-June, early July.
All right, it's pretty looking. Shallow.
Yeah,
The water looks clear, but the bottom you can see is that clay.
it's very silty.
Yeah.
But I have, not in this river, but when I was hiking, I did a river. I was turning over rocks and I found a couple crawfish in here.
Yeah. You could probably get, probably be a good creek and a river to look for arrowheads and stuff too. I see some minnows
Yeah, it's weird.
over there, so that's all I see.
Yeah, the population of Native Americans that I teach are majorly associated with the Halawassaconi tribe, which is they're not federally recognized; they're only state recognized.
Mm. Cool. We'll move on.
I want to show you the YouTube channel that I like, Jupiter Hikes.
I watched it. You sent it to me. You sent me his link.
Oh, did I?
I've been watching some of his stuff. Yeah.
I really like.
I haven't watched many, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
I really am enjoying his series that he's making on how to, like a how-to through hike, kind of like helping you start from scratch if you've never done it before.
And two-way traffic.
This is a big mountain biking area.
Yeah, I saw signs over there for mountain biking.
So we go this way.
Okay. All right. All right. Pretty cool. When you need your bottle straw for a drink. Filter straw.
My favorite filters that I see, like the hikers that I follow use, are the ones where you have like a platypus, which is just like a, I don't know, a water container.
Yeah, water bag.
Yeah, water bag, and like you put it on the end of it, and you can just like it gravity filters it.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the cool. I think those are the cool ones. I mean, I like there were some pumps that I really like too, but of course the pumps are a little like heavier.
Right.
Take up more space.
Yeah, that's always you got to think of weight and space
Yeah.
when
And
you're packing your bag.
next time I go backpacking too, is that I don't like using like disposable bottles, but they all use like those Life water bottles that you can get at the gas station, like the really tall ones that are liters, because they're lighter than like Nalgene's.
Where would you hang them or put them
No,
to carry them?
in the same pockets where you put your
Oh,
water bottles, but you
okay.
just replace them.
They're just taller.
And like the things, those gravity filters, they like screw right on those.
That furry rope.
Yeah, I see.
It's moss. Yeah, it's a vine with moss growing on it. It looks like a fuzzy rope. So this is one cool spot we stopped at. I don't know if there's any fish in here, but that right over there on that island would be a great place to fly fish from.
Have you ever tried fly fishing?
No. I want to try it. I haven't tried it yet. Little bridge we're going to go over here in a minute. Yeah, just look at that view, man. How relaxing is that? I could sit with a hammock and read a book or look at pictures here all day.
I was like, don't lie to the people who are watching your channel.
Yeah, no, looking at pictures would be more up my alley.
The sentiment was there.
All right, we're gonna move on.
Why do trees get like growth like that? Do you know?
What, that clump?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like a cancer. A person gets a cancer, a lump, or a tumor on their skin or underneath their skin. Trees do that for whatever reason. I'm not sure.
Or is it like a scab?
No, it's like a tumor. I don't know. And some trees grow. Forget what they call it. They're a hard growth. They're like a knot.
Yeah.
And they take those off and they make furniture out of them. They turn into hardwood in the center, and they peel out the outside skin, and it's hardwood in there, and then they shape them out for bowls and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But they're usually big round knots about like that grow on the side of the trees. It's usually in like in wetlands, wet forests is where they grow. But yeah, I don't know why the trees get that growth on them. I don't know what causes it. But we are walking the river's edge. You can see the river over there. Looking for wildlife. See, this ground's so hard, it doesn't, the deer don't even make marks on the dirt, so you can't even follow a trail, a deer trail, or see if anybody's walked by. Must be a lot of people that walk this, keep it so there's no foliage growing on this trail. Okay. All right, here we go. We're going up to the dam. This is a mile loop. And we got our staircase to go climb. Damn. Come on. Knees work.
What is the problem, like raising them, or are they just stiff?
No, it's raising them. Like I can raise them up, but to push down on them to pull the other one up, I have to like help.
Yeah, you don't have any firing in your quads.
Yeah, I don't know what the deal is.
Well, if we live by each other, I would say I'd get you in shape, Dad. I'd get your diet straight.
There's a couple of squirrels. I don't think getting in shape is going to fix my knees.
Well, I think there are some things that like may help it, you know, like building muscles around, because your knee isn't a muscle. So building stronger muscles around it may help you day to day.
So which way we go?
This way.
Huh?
This way.
Oh, downhill?
Yeah.
Where's the dam?
It's down here.
Oh, I thought we'd have to climb up more to go see it.
And it's not like, it's not an pretty epic dam. It's like abandoned. It's just remains.
Right.
But it's cool.
Oh, this is much easier. Downhill and gravity.
I actually.
Oh, what's that?
It's a grave.
Yeah, let's go up and see. Record something. What it is. So this is cool. A
Maybe it
I think. Is it just a marker? I don't see any dates or anything on it.
Yeah. There might be someone, or it might be a structure. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Look at his blue thing. Don't jump on me.
I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's an unmarked. I don't think it's an unmarked grave. I don't know.
I think it's a marker of
Property.
a boundary marker, because you can see where it was poured with the. Yeah, I don't think they would make a headstone out of concrete like that, and I don't see no year or dates or anything, or name of what it is. Yeah, see, there's another one to your left.
Yeah.
Maybe that replaced that one, or that's a different one. I'm not
I
sure.
think it is a property marker. I think you're right.
Look at the mushroom.
Think it's poisonous?
Oh yeah, poisonous to eat. I don't know if it'd be poisonous to touch. I definitely wouldn't eat it though. Oh, is that I don't know if that was a squirrel or a rat. It just went up that tree. I saw it going on the ground, but it didn't look like a squirrel.
Going in the middle of the three?
He ran up the where the three are coming
Yeah.
out, the one on the left. There's a cardinal that just flew back there. Yeah, it looked like a big old rat. Because I didn't see a bushy tail, I just saw a body. So when do you and Nathan like intend to get that traveling van put together and go? Like,
Well, we hope to do it like right before we turn 30.
uh-huh.
Like when we turn 30. At least like buy the van
Mm-hmm.
and save up money, but I'm gonna have to use that money for rent money eventually, so I have to put that back in after.
So you guys want to buy new, or you want to buy like a
I guess whatever.
second-hand one and fix it up?
I mean, I would like to have it from scratch. Like, I would like to have the van. I wouldn't like to have
An empty van?
Yeah, I would like to have an empty van. I don't care if the van's a few years old.
Uh-huh.
But I want to be able to do it.
Other one. Right. This looks like the remnants of a dam that was built. It was breached by probably some big floods and just being old. All right, let's keep on going. So I wonder who made the dam. Army Corps of Engineers?
I don't know. Maybe the people who own the land for some sort of agriculture purposes.
Mm-hmm. Because it looks like they built this hill up purposely to match the stone. It could be, you don't know where the headwaters are of that, so they could have dammed it up to back that river up so they had water for their fields or whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes some nice hardwood there. I'm not sure what tree that is. It's a big ass tree though. Can make a lot of lumber out of that sucker. Even years, odd hikers must walk in opposite direction of bikes. Huh? Where do we go? That's the way?
Yeah.
Oh, this is where you said you'd rather go that way?
No,
When we came?
we're the white trail marker.
I know, but isn't this where we came down? You said you'd rather go right?
No, this
From
this isn't it yet.
Oh,
We're almost there though.
okay.
I think this will take us down to that over this hill.
Yeah, because I could have swore that's the way. You said you like to go that way instead of left. How's your ankle hold up
Pretty well.
from surgery and walking on this stuff? Good.
You mean knee?
Oh, didn't you? Thought your Achilles tendon, wasn't it the back part of the
No,
ankle?
it's my
ACL.
That's not Achilles.
Oh.
Whew. That rehab was the most painful thing I've ever experienced.
Yeah, it was a lot, and that's the guy I was talking to about that got his both knee replaced over there too. He said the same thing. He says it's excruciating for the first week in therapy. It'll just about kill you. But he said it's well worth it. He doesn't have the issues anymore he used to have. Oh, it's wild dogwood. That's what that is. Those are the ones that get the white flowers on.
It's really pretty, isn't it? I like the
Yeah.
I like the leaf set too.
Yeah. Yeah, they get all the white flowers in the springtime. So I wonder in the beginning if they take an aerial photo of there to make these trails to know where to start and how to run it, how to come in there.
I bet they just do surveying.
I don't remember coming through this one either.
Yeah, no, this is part of it. That's the other dam site. It's like a dam. It's like the bridge, I think. Wait, I remember that. That's that.
Oh, cool. So this is a passageway, I'm sure, when it gets flooded. Concrete walls to direct it.
I guess. Same structure.
Oh yeah. There's part of a dam structure that's left. I don't know. Kind of hard to tell what it did. This left side's open. Maybe that dirt went all the way to the side walls and that was the chute for the water was supposed to go. Well, whatever it was, it don't work now. Yeah. Okay, I got that. I wanted to make sure it was recording, so I got that part. All right, we're back to where we started on the first loop, heading back to the parking lot.
So if you could pick a place for us to go together to backpack, where would you want to go? Would you still want to go to Glacier?
Oh yeah, Glacier Bay, or no,
Glacier?
is it Glaciers?
Glacier Bay is in Alaska, I believe.
Okay, yeah.
I might be wrong, but...
Glacier National Park?
Yeah,
Is that what it is? Yeah.
It's in Montana. I
Yeah.
think. Montana.
Yeah, I'd like to go try that. I don't know what kind of trails they got there as far as
Oh, I'm sure they're...
what the level is.
I'm sure some of their backcountry trails are pretty tough.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be cool to do, especially at the foot of the hill where they have that big lake. They've got a hotel right there.
Yeah.
Then they've got day trails that you can go, and then they have like I think 2, 3, and 4 day loops from right there.
And
so you could like get the hotel for a night, then go camping for 3 nights, and then register again, you know, for the 5th night you're back, so you can shower and relax and stuff.
I wouldn't even mind, like, I know maybe it becomes harder for us to go, you know, on longer hikes, like but still like camping out and just using like have like a base and then just keep on going on day hikes. I think that would be a good way to be able to go on longer hikes, like, because then you can guarantee you can come back somewhere and recuperate. You know, it's not
Yeah.
like the next day you have to come back and do another like 5-10 miles.
Right. Well, I mean, I'm good with like a, I don't know, 10 or 15 mile trail where we do maybe 2 nights on it,
Yeah.
and then come back to the hotel, rest of the day, and do maybe a day or 2 trail. That would be cool. Because I'd like to go see, it'd be nice if you come across some moose or some big elk, you know, in the wild. That would be cool to film, take some pictures. I'll have to get with Chris, that's our meat manager. Him and his brother go out west somewhere, and he went last year and got some pictures of some nice elk in the wild. And I think he got a moose running through the woods. But yeah, him and his brother always go out west. He's a photographer too. He takes a bunch of pictures and he makes calendars.
Nice.
With his trips that he goes on. Yeah, such a nice day. I'm surprised we only saw 3 people or 4 people on the trail. I heard somebody else back there, but I never did see him. I wonder how cold that water is.
It's not too bad because I went in and put my feet in last time I was here.
Mm-hmm.
Look good.
Well, now you know if you ever get stuck here overnight, you know how to catch the, what do you call, crayfish. How big were the ones you saw?
It was only like this big.
Oh, little guys.
Yeah, I was a little guy.
I can do this, the exit coming out.
Oh my God, we're here. Yeah, you do like you like turn around real fast and whip it back, and then that's when you do the same thing in front of your house like this.
Yeah, right.
And it whips right into the home. tell you're getting stiff.
I'm getting stiff.
There you go. Looks like you're walking like this.
My buttocks right there. Butt cheek hurts.
You know what you should do is I have a massage gun, like a Theragun that goes really fast and like helps your muscles after you should stretch, and you should honestly use it. Feels really good. Like if you put it like right here, like where your hamstrings connect to your glute. Yeah, it feels better. It's not a replacement for stretching, but it helps.
Yeah.
Helps with recovery.
All right. Get to where there's no. Sure, there's no poison ivy. You know what poison ivy looks like?
Not really. I guess I know it when I feel it.
Yeah. Okay.
You said dang?
No, I said, hey, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do something here.
What are you gonna do?